Meetha Paan is a popular Indian mouth freshener and digestive delight, enjoyed after meals or as a festive indulgence. Made with fresh betel leaves means paan, it is filled with a mix of sweet and aromatic ingredients like rose petal jam, tutti-frutti, fennel seeds, coconut, variety of sweet and crunchy ingredients. This delightful treat is a must-try. Watch as we prepare and explore its delightful flavors. Explosive flavors in every bite. Perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Mita Pan. Take wash and clean betel leaf. Remove the pan stem. I don't have pan chutney. Pan chutney, which is usually a sweet and tangy blend, is optional and can be skipped if you prefer a simpler or less messy pan. It all depends on personal taste. Cut it a little bit with scissors. It will help to fold easily. Take gulkand rose petals jam. Gulkand is good for digestion, excellent blood purifier, keeps body, mind and stomach cool. Keeps you fresh and cool in summer, useful in every season. You can have it daily. Drink it with cold milk or lassi, spread it on fresh bread slices and mix it with ice cream. Place spoonful of gulkand on pan leaf. Add some desiccated coconut. Fennel seeds optional. Add 4 to 5 raisins. Add 1 almond into the center. Add some colorful tutti-frutti. Sprinkle some shredded coconut. Add some mukwaz sugar-coated fennel seeds. Place glacé cherry on it. Fold it as shown. Fold the bottom side into the center. Fold the left side and overlap it. Fold the upper part inside. Fold the right side into the center. Secure with glacé cherry and toothpick or cloves. Insert the toothpick inside of the pan to secure it. Our first pan is ready. Do this to make more pans. Wash the pan leaves and pat them dry. Remove the hard stem from the center without tearing the leaf. Place the shiny portion of the betel leaf on the bottom side of the flat surface. Apply some gulkand on it. Add desiccated coconut. Some fennel seeds. Few raisins. 1 almond. Add shredded coconut. Add candied sugar-coated fennel seeds. Some tutti-frutti. 1 glacé cherry. Again some gulkand on top optional. Fold the leaf into a triangle, or you can roll it like cone. I'm folding like an envelope. Fold it upwards. Fold the left side leaf. Fold it over. Fold the upper part inside. Fold the right side into the center. The extra part doesn't stand out. Insert it toothpick. Use toothpick or clove to secure the pan. Use edible silver bark to garnish. You can cover whole pan with it. Pan will look more attractive and luxurious, enhancing its visual appeal. Garnish the plate as per your choice. Serve immediately or refrigerate 20 minutes for a chilled taste. Whether after a meal. Unlike saada pan or zarda pan, Mita Pan does not contain tobacco or areca nuts, making it a milder and more refreshing option. Packed with flavor and tradition, it remains a beloved treat across India. Enjoy your homemade pan after meal. Bursting flavors in every single bite. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.